we are very much disturbed overpopulation. There is no nonsense. Krishna is quite able. If there is overpopulation, there cannot be overpopulation because there are already ananta living entities. Why are you speaking of overpopulation? It is already there. You cannot count. There is no question of it. There are already overpopulation. And they can be provided by Krishna. Krishna is not limited. He is also unlimited. He can provide unlimited living entities. There is no scarcity of food. So this theory that overpopulation is nonsense. There cannot be overpopulation. But there is restriction by nature. Nature will restrict production of food if there are demons. Nature will not provide the demons. You will find in the Srimad Bhagavatam, 4th canto. Nature is quite prepared to supply all the food. But as soon as there are number of demons, because the whole plan is to correct. Just like the criminals are sent to the prison house for being corrected, so that they may not again commit criminals. That is the purpose of. Similarly, we are all criminals who are in this material world. The purpose is to be correct. We wanted to imitate Krishna, to become Krishna, and therefore we violated the orders of Krishna. That criminality means material life. Krishna bhuliya jeev bhagavan chakare pasate maya kare japotiya thare. This is maya. This material world, maya. This body is false, maya. So we have to accept this body because we wanted to enjoy. So you enjoy with this body, particular body. Either human body, or dog's body, or cat's body, or demigod's body. You get as you desire. You get a material body and enjoy. This is material life.